Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the latest updates on the UK e-visa. So we know that the UK government has announced, I think about a year ago, stating that they were going to bring an end to the BRP card, and everyone is expected to switch to an e-visa. So everyone that currently has a visa or currently has a BRP card is supposed to switch to an e-visa from the 1st of January 2025. So the BRP card comes to an end the 31st of December 2024, and the e-visa is supposed to start by the 1st of January 2025. However, there's been an announcement, there's been a slight change to this date, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. But before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We'll talk about life in the UK, how to safely and successfully travel to the UK, and how to navigate through life as an immigrant living in the UK. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. As I said before, from previous announcements, the UK BRP card was supposed to come to an end by the 31st of December 2024, while the e-visa officially starts from the 1st of January 2025. And everyone was expected to go online, create an online account on the gov.uk website, and then register your details to get your e-visa. However, the government has announced on the 4th of December 2024 that this date has actually been postponed. So I've got an article on my laptop which I'm going to read to you just so it makes sense and to all of us. Okay, so it says, in a written statement published on the 4th of December 2024, Seema Malhotra, the Parliamentary Undersecretary of State for Migration and Citizenship, announced that expired BRP cards and EU settlement scheme residence cards will now remain valid for travel until at least the 31st of March 2025. This is an extension on the original 31st December 2024 deadline, provided the individual holds their valid status. So what it's simply saying is that instead of this deadline to be the 31st of December, it is now going to be valid. So even though your BRP card has expired, as long as you have a valid status in the UK, your BRP card will still be valid until at least the 31st of March 2025. However, people are being urged to go onto the gov.uk website to register for their e-visa as soon as possible. So the advice is, don't wait until the 31st of March, go on and do it now. So if you're wanting to travel out of the UK and you have a valid status but your BRP card has expired, you can actually use that BRP card even though it's expired. As long as your status is still valid, you go through all the checks at the immigration control and all of that, which would show that you actually have a valid status in the UK. Okay, so I'll just read further. It says the e-visa system, intended to replace the physical immigration document entirely from January 2025, has faced significant criticisms for its implementation challenges, and that's what I said before. Technical difficulties with the system, and the timing of the rollout compounded the risk of disruption during the winter peak travel period. Remember, I said it was supposed to expire or end by the 31st of December. However, we know that a lot of people travel for Christmas, right? People travel and they'll be coming back maybe the 1st of January, the 2nd of January, and if they haven't registered for their e-visa, it becomes a problem. A lot of challenges would occur, hence, so that's one of the reasons why they've actually decided to extend it to March. So one, technical issues with the system, and actually the timing of it all. Okay, so it says the Home Office has now adjusted its plans to accommodate affected individuals, including setting up a 24-hour helpline for airlines and enhancing communication with carriers about document acceptance protocol. Okay, so there's a 24-hour helpline for airlines or for people that are traveling this period and all of that. So there'll be an helpline for the airlines, and I guess for people to contact as well if there are any issues. So the helpline would also help with communication about accepting this BRP card. Remember, if your BRP card has expired and your visa has actually expired, you are not in this category. However, if you have like maybe indefinite leave to remain, or you have a leave to remain that extends beyond December 31st, 2024, then you're wanting to travel, then you are in this category. Or if you're just in the UK, however, your BRP card has expired, you are in this category. You will still be able to use your BRP card until the 31st of March 2025. Okay. However, like I said before, it's important that you go on to register. So we've been giving more time to register. However, you need to go and register as soon as possible so that when it comes to the 31st of March next year, 2025, you won't be caught out. Okay, it says on the article I've just read that this process is going to be reviewed. So I guess when it gets close to that time, it's going to be reviewed again. However, like I said, get yours done as soon as possible so that you're not caught out when it comes to that time, in case they actually decide that that's when it actually ends, if that's the actual deadline. Okay, well, I hope this video has been helpful to someone. If it's helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I've got other videos on e-visa and all of that on my channel and other immigration issues, so feel free, help yourself, check them out, and I hope you enjoy them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.